All right, hello, boys and girls. Excuse me. We're going to go ahead and get started on our vocabulary. So if you would please grab your vocabulary book and something to write with, and I will meet you over there in just a moment. Let me get our camera started. All right. So here's our vocabulary journal. We're going to turn the page. So the last word we had was brief. Brief. And that was on page 5 in the corner. So all we're going to do is we're just going to turn the page. Let me back it up a little bit here so you can see everything. Okay. We're just going to turn the page because we're finished with those. And we're going to write on the very back of that one, we're going to write page 6 because this is on page 6. Okay. And then we're also going to write the word week 4. And then the date today is 10/5/20. Let me bring it close so you can see it because it's kind of got a lot of glare on it, doesn't it? Okay, better. There we go. Okay, week 4, 10/5/20, page 6. So our first word is the word convince. Convince. Okay, and what does convince mean? It means to make a person agree or believe you by using evidence. Okay, so if I was going to make you believe that the earth is round, I can convince you that it's round because I can go to the satellites and take a picture way out in outer space looking back at the earth and you can see that it is round. So I can convince you to believe that. So I'm doing something. What part of speech is where we're doing something? You said verb, you are correct. We just put a V for verb. All right, so if you are still writing, I need you to push pause real quick so that you can finish this. And then when you're done, you'll click unpause and you'll be ready for the second word. We're going to go on to the second word now. And the second word is swiftly. Swiftly. Okay, swiftly means to be moving with lots of speed. Moving with lots of speed is swiftly. So if I had to clean my room before I could go to my friends to spend the night, I might swiftly clean my room so that I can go. So that's moving. I'm going to clean my room with a lot of speed. So I'm describing how I'm doing that, and that would make it an adverb. It's describing the verb. How I'm cleaning, I'm swiftly cleaning. Okay, again, push pause if you need to so that you can get everything written down. So go ahead and push pause real quick. And then when you're done, you can unpause it and we'll be on the next word. Okay, the third word we're doing is rely. Rely. Rely means to depend on someone or something. Like some of you might rely on your parents to wake you up for school. Some of you might rely on your alarm clock to wake you up, but it means you are depending on that alarm clock to go off, and you're depending on your parents to make sure that they wake you up. So that is a doing thing. So that is a verb. Put a V for verb right below. Okay, make sure you hit pause so that you have time to write everything. And then when you're done writing everything, come back, unpause it, and we're going to be on the next page. So on the top, I'm going to write number 7 because I'm on page 7. Okay. And our next word is rare. Rare. Now, rare can mean a couple of things. The one that we're going to do is when something is hard to find or you don't see a lot of them, they are rare. So that definition is very uncommon. So finding a pencil in your desk is common, right? You normally would find your pencil in your desk, but finding a 100-year-old pencil would be rare. It's very uncommon to find a pencil even around that's that old, isn't it? So rare is describing how something is. So it's a rare pencil. That would be an adjective. We're just going to mark it down as ADJ for adjective. Means very uncommon. Also, rare can also mean that something is undercooked. So it is rare done. It's not all the way done. Okay. Go ahead and pause if you need to. And then when you're ready, you can come back. And the last word we're going to do for this week is precise. Precise. Precise means very exact. Okay, so we have a precise amount of room to write. It's a very exact amount. It's just right here in this little box. So that is a precise spot to write. You might need to cut something in a precise manner so that it fits exactly. So it's very exact. And so precise describes something, which makes it an adjective. Precise. Very exact adjective. All right, so go ahead and pause if you need to. Make sure that you get all 5 of our words. Let me back up a little bit, see if we can see them all. All right. So we have convince, to make a person agree or believe by using evidence. It's a verb. We have the word swiftly, means it's an adverb, describes a verb. It means moving with lots of speed. Number 3, rely. It's a verb. It's an action, something we do. To depend on someone or something. Rare describes a noun. It's an adjective. Very uncommon. And last, we have precise, which describes a noun. It's an adjective, and it means very exact. Okay, we have page 6 at the top, page 7 at this side, and then we have week 4, 10, 5, 20 written there, so that if you ever need to find something, I can tell you what week to look in or what date to look in, so you can find it quickly. All right, once you are finished with that, you can put that away, and I will meet you in our grammar video. Come back and say goodbye here. All right, I will see you in grammar. We're going to work on adverbs this week. So I'll see you there.